This area was originally founded as a royal retreat in the 16th century and known as Richmond upon Thames in southwest London, and is one of the safest places to live in the whole of the city. Situated on the riverside in the southwest of the city, Richmond is one of the most beautiful places to live. People flock there on weekends to enjoy the sunshine, big parks and expansive green areas, as well as wonderful restaurants, pubs, and of course shopping. With it being London's lowest crime rate area, lots of celebrities have settled down. In terms of the crime rate, there are 54 crimes per thousand citizens, and it's 9.2 miles away from central London. Situated on the outskirts of southeast London, Bexley is known for its low prices and community living, and of course it's one of the safest places to live in London. The area feels more like a village and has fast connections into the city, has lots of green areas such as Bexley Heath, and is buzzing with local cafes and cute pubs. As mentioned, Bexley has a real community spirit, with trendy cafes serving fresh produce, a town centre butcher who's been serving the residents for decades, the library tea room where all the residents tend to enjoy their afternoons whilst catching up on their weekly gossip. The crime rate in Bexley stands at 56 crimes per thousand citizens, and it is 13.7 miles away from central London. So just over a mile away from Richmond upon Thames, Kingston is also one of the safest areas to live in London. Kingston offers plenty of shops and restaurants, a busy riverside and a notable theatre. Also, there are plenty of trains that take you straight into Waterloo in just over 30 minutes. The crime rate in Kingston upon Thames is 57 crimes per thousand citizens, and it is 10.7 miles away from central London. Based in southwest London, Sutton is again one of the safest places to live in London and is known for being a sleepy, quiet area that is perfect for families. With lots of green spaces, good grammar schools, a busy town centre, and weekly farmers' markets that serve fresh produce. This is the perfect place to settle down. Also, if you want to get into London, transport is fast, easy, and accessible, and you'll be in London in no time. The crime rate in Sutton is 57 crimes per 1,000 citizens, and it's 12.2 miles away from central London. So if one is looking for great schools and affordable living, it's nothing better than northwest London's safest borough, Harrow. Home to some of the most incredible private schools, including Harrow School for Boys, which was attended by none other than the Prime Minister, Sir Winston Churchill. It's a very culturally diverse area, with 2 large shopping centres, lots of cute cafes, and great transport links straight into London. The crime rate in Harrow stands at 63 crimes per thousand citizens, and it's 13.7 miles away from London. Situated in southeast London, Bromley is a green leafy area that is a commuter's dream because it takes just a mere 13 minutes from Bromley into London Victoria. Bromley, being the safest place to live in southeast London, has lovely Victorian streets, a busy town centre, a notable theatre, and some great state schools. The crime rate in Bromley stands at 64 crimes per thousand citizens, and it's 11.2 miles away from central London. So the London Borough of Merton is located in southwest London and incorporates Wimbledon, Mitcham, Collierswood and Morden and Rayners Park. They all offer strong residential settings, including beautiful parks and tree-lined streets. Wimbledon is definitely the most sought-after area in Merton. The crime rate in Merton stands at 66 crimes per thousand citizens, and it is 10.2 miles away from central London. The London Borough of Havering is located on the eastern fringes of Greater London and incorporates parts of Essex. It's also the farthest area from central London. Romford, Hornchurch and Upminster make up the main areas, with Upminster offering access to the District line. Despite being located just half an hour outside of central London, Havering residents are able to enjoy real countryside living with lots of green spaces and rural areas. The crime rate in Havering stands at 67 crimes per thousand citizens, and it's 19 miles away from central London. So the range of different properties in Barnet make it a place that's really appealing to both families and young professionals. Barnet has plenty of parks, great schools, lots of village-style shops and of course, great transport links straight into London. The crime rate in Barnet stands at 68 crimes per thousand citizens, and it is 10.3 miles away from central London. Just a fun fact: Enfield is a home to the world's very first ATM and is a regular feature in pub quiz questions. The area has a vibrant town centre, plenty of great schools, low crime rates, and some period properties that appeal to families. The crime rate in Enfield stands at 74 crimes per thousand citizens, and it's 16.3 miles away from central London.